Did you see an elephant round here? It's big!
Big and small, let's sing along. Stomp like an elephant, tiptoe small. Arms out wide, then curl up tight. Opposites dance, day and night. Big or small, big, small. Loud or soft, loud, soft. Elephant steps go boom, boom, boom. Mouse goes squeak across the room. Huge gray ears, tiny whiskers fall. One is big and one is small. Big and small, let's sing along. Big and small, let's sing along. Big and small, big, small. Loud or soft, loud, soft. Blue whale glides through ocean halls. Tiny seahorse hugs the coral. Splash so big, ripple oh so small. Both belong, there's room for all. Brown bear shadow tall and strong. Chipmunk scurries quick along. Stretch up big, make yourself tall. Now crisscross small, curl up small.